Hey guys, Jessica here. So today on Breast Pump Deep Dive, we are going to again talk about the Ameda Mya Joy, this time the Ameda Mya Joy Plus. So I ended up ordering a pump from Ameda, and in the process of getting my order, one of their very nice representatives reached out to me concerned about the kit that I had bought to go with a particular pump. In that conversation, what I found out is that it is very possible that when I tested the Ameda Mya Joy and the Ameda Mya Joy Plus, that part of the reason I got some of those startlingly low suctions is that despite the fact that the hygienic kit and the universal hygienic kit look exactly the same, they both visually look like this. There is no visual indicator that they are different. The rep told me that they were in fact different, that there's a difference in this backflow protector here, and that this is made of a slightly different material. And therefore, with the Ameda Mya Joy and with the Ameda Pearl, I would get very different results. So I had actually tested this is one of the ones that I originally tested on. I put a Medela bottle on the bottom just so that I could tell them apart visually. This is the universal one. This is not the universal one. This is the older kit. I tested them on the Ameda Platinum. I tested them on the Ameda Elite. They both performed exactly the same. So I was very skeptical when it came to the Ameda Mya Joy that I was going to see different results. But we did get different results. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so what I found is that we got significantly better suction after expression level 3. We went from capping out at about 110 to going all the way to 230. So the Ameda Mya Joy does in fact get adequate suction on the double pumping setting. And for perspective of how bad the original kit performed on the Ameda Mya Joy, I'm comparing the Ameda Mya Joy with the original kit on single pumping to the Ameda Mya Joy on double pumping with the universal kit. Even single pumping, the original kit just fails to produce suction. I'm not sure why. I have spent a lot of time looking at the two backflow protectors, and I visually cannot tell a difference. Texture-wise, maybe the universal kit feels ever so slightly heavier. But like I said, I tested it with the Ameda Platinum and the Ameda Elite, and we did not get different results. They came out exactly the same, but on the Pearl and the Mya Joy, very, very different. And then in that previous video where we talked about the Ameda Mya Joy, one of the things that we looked at was what do you do if you have this pump and you're not getting enough suction? And what I had found is that using the Spectra backflow protector did in fact generate more suction. But then when I compared the double pumping with the universal kit to the single pumping with the Spectra flange, again, the universal kit got better results. We know from research that pumping hacks are notoriously unreliable. They have really unpredictable results, and we're actually going to talk about that in a couple of videos coming up. When you start hacking parts and you're using, we call it Franken pumping, and you're using all these different parts, what you can end up with is really surprising outcomes. What this setup does with one pump may be very different from what it does with another pump, even if they fundamentally seem so close that there shouldn't be a difference. So now we know for the Ameda Mya Joy, it is really important that you go with the name brand parts. This, you can buy the whole kit and it's the universal hygienic kit, or you can buy just the Ameda Mya Joy diaphragms and valves to replace your parts. This is really important because the Maymom and the Ameda Old Style are still on Amazon and they look the same. Like I said, I can't tell the difference. So what I'm doing is I'm going through and throwing away all of my old ones. They're not worth keeping if I'm going to put them on certain pumps and have issues. So I have upgraded everything in my collection to these new valves and new diaphragms, and everything is working, very, very well. So this pump went from being one that I really didn't recommend and didn't like to one that I'm willing to take another look at, because the science is saying, there was a reason that I was getting the bad results with it, and it's very possible that we may be underestimating this pump. So hopefully it helps you see that hacks have a really unpredictable outcome, and using the wrong parts definitely took away the suction on the Ameda Mya Joy.